Hello, I am Professor Kakade Aryan from Artsu Technical Campus, MBA Department. So, subject name is Service Marketing and chapter 2nd Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Service. So, today I will discuss point Revenue Management. What is by what is meant by revenue management? Revenue management is the collection of strategies and tactics from used to specifically manage demand for their product and service. Means this practice was started by the airline industry but has now moved the fashion, retail, energy and hospitality to name a few. Okay, it has become more disciplined and technical in using a variety of analytical to predict consumer demand. So to optimize an inventory and price available to maximize the revenue. As revenue management has slowly developed, the essential of his discipline in the understanding and customer perception of product value of the accurately product price placement and available with each customer segmentation. Revenue management aims earning the highest possible revenue is the capacity. Service through the service provided and operations. Divided the consumer into finger segment which the term help in understanding better each segments. Price of sensitively. Organization use information technology. This however will depend on the amount of past data on demand patterns that will be available with the organization. Means service organization often the percentage of the capacity sold as a measure of operational efficiency throughout. These figures tell us little about the relative profitability of the customer base by themselves. Okay, that is revenue management. So next, process of revenue management. There are four steps involved in revenue management: data collection, forecasting and estimation, optimization and control. So first one is data collection. What is in by data collection? If the company use revenue management, they will have to store all their data about their customer behavior, price, demand and other factor in the order to make goods forecasting and estimation. The more we can store historical data, the more precise forecast we can make. This is the foundation of all yield management system. That is data collection. It's most important part of process of revenue management. So second one is forecasting and estimation. Means the parameters of the model and letter making. Using these parameters have to estimate. Companies will not only forecast demand but if there are any collection and cancellation too. Forecasting is the basis of optimization as a data is the basis of forecasting. Optimizing the controls cannot happen without a goods forecast and the demand, that is forecasting and estimation. So next one, optimization. What is in by optimization? We have to find the optimal set of control which we are going to use. This can be booking, limits, price and discount etc. That is optimization. Next one, control. Finally, the sale of inventory has to be the control. Use the provided optimization control. So next point, revenue management techniques. We will now talk about the different revenue management techniques. So A, contribution margin. What is meant by contribution margin? Major use of the assets. The impact of profit is the contribution. margin. Measure in the incremental fashion by assessing the increase revenue means the increase cost means the standard measure, most important one, the standard measure of contribution margin is revenue means variable cost, that is the those cost of the change as output revenue. Changes as they discussed in the next section. An accurate assessment of the variable cost is critical to making good revenue management decision. Using contribution margin analysis they reflect to the standard optimization that a base of business that covers all the cost and the ends profit already exists, and the proposal as the harm is the of incremental changes that builds on the base. Thus, revenue management proposal often seek of the make relatively small modification to an existing business base and existing price structure with the goal of addition the, to the overall contribution margin of the organization. Means it is the possible to use revenue management as a strategic approaches to an enterprise structure. In such as cases, contribution margin is not the relevant matter when the dealing with the entire business segment. Thus, something close of full force cost profitability should be the use. That is contribution margin. So, B. Account analysis. What is meant by account analysis? Estimating fixed and variable cost is the very approximate process. There are techniques we varying complexity that do exist. One of the simple from the call includes classification is of the account little the fixed variable or possible mix based on the one's knowledge of the benefit about the cost behavior. The classification are judgmental. The other technique is also known as high-low analysis, use of the changes in cost between two different output levels, estimate the fixed and variable components, the changes in the cost, the changes in output quantity will be the variable cost items as well as the assume changes in fixed cost. So next, dynamic pricing. The methods of dynamic pricing. So first one, discount airline pricing. What is meant by discount airline pricing? It is the worth monetary this particular case because when it's a come to airline, we have to set our price differently as the day appropriate the day when your inventory loss in the value. Each contract style, goods price become higher. There is the simple explanation to this. Airline companies prefer customer who book yearly, but his customer book tickets yearly and then seen that the prices drop. They are going to the in the lead of high uncertainty. If the everybody wanted to the buy their tickets the day of before differentiation. So next one, consumer package goods promotion. What is meant by consumer package goods promotion? That is the main difference in this case is that the promotion is a short term price reduction. Consumer package goods are the product that is the consumer buy repeatedly, so they know how the prices changes and they are willing to adapt these changes. For example, if the price of the coffee drop, the customer tend buy a lot of packages. They stock clip it, so can be the see drop in demand after the promotion ends. We have to careful about the length of promotion. It is the too long or product we can also value, but is the great way of the want extra attention on our product and we are on the advertisement. So next one, style and seasonal goods markdown pricing. Management applies to the assessed. The means about that goods will be lost their value and we cannot sell them after that so we cannot make profit. Every company goal is to reduce spoil to the minimum. So before the inventory losses, the valuable companies will the lower price in the hope increase in demand. Is the loyal better thus something for low price? Then go to sell. This is a very simple but useful use the dynamic pricing to gain more revenue. Another the can be the we do not the have huge information about the demand to our clients. So first we need so set all prices high and as the time goes by we cannot observe which product are the ones for the which people are the willing to pay the high price. For the rest of the product we can lower our prices. Applying this kind of dynamic pricing is also good way to the learn about the customer demand. So revenue management including the point of process of revenue management and revenue management techniques including point contribution margin, account analysis and dynamic pricing. That is most important process in traditional marketing mix elements in service. So thank you so much.